Sint Yacht Charter can offer you 4 different yachts to hire for a day cruise or several day, and we go with captain, drinks and snacks. Here is same polygirl you can see behind, it's a 52 Power Cat. On a day tour we can go to sailboat round trip from Oyster Pond, or we can do a full tour of the island of Saint Maarten and Sint Maarten, or either we can have a relaxing Tintamari and Pinel round trip. Sure, we do either a term charter or just one day, even half a day, and you can check on our website. We got all different bunch of activities for you, and every activity will fit your group. It's private ride, just your own group, plus skipper, drinks and snacks. Very welcome aboard.
Perfect. Very enjoyable. Everybody should come and have a good day with you guys. Thank you.